Welcome guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about and showing you how to sign up for Tradestation. Now all of us know Tradestation is a popular broker for trading your favorite commodities, forex or anything. So we're going to go ahead and dive right in. First things first, you're going to want to open up your browser and you're going to go into your search tab and type in Tradestation. Then you're going to press enter. Now, it's going to bring you over to this page. You're going to ignore the first sponsored link because that's not what we've searched for. And we're going to scroll down till we see the tradestation.com. We're going to click on this link. Now, when the website is going to load up, it's going to look something like this. We're just going to accept all the cookies because we're looking for a pleasant experience. Now, on the top right corner, it's going to give you two options. First is to sign in, other is to open an account. We're just going to scroll down to look at the rest of the website. Now, here is going to give you all the reasons why you should choose Tradestation, how we can support, and everything else. So we're going to skip past all of this and go ahead and click on Open an Account. Now it's going to bring us to this page. On the left, it's going to give you new users. On the right, it's going to give you returning users. So since we're a new user, we're going to go ahead and click on the left side on the sign up page. That's going to ask you all your personal details. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill all of this out. Now it's going to ask you to make your username. So I'm just going to go with whatever I keep everywhere else. Now, if you have a promo code, you can go ahead and enter it here. I don't have one, so I'm just going to go click next. Now it's going to bring you to configure your account section. Now, if you're an individual account, you can go for individual. If you're from a joint account, if someone else and you have an account in the same place, you're going to go for joint. Or you could go for business and trust accounts to open. So this depends on what you're going to trade. Are you going to trade equities and options, futures options? So you're going to do your due diligence and choose the right option. Next is going to ask you if you're going to do margin trading or options trading. I'm going to do both. So I'm going to click both of them. Now, investment risk tolerance. So for me, income, growth, and speculation. So speculation is when you're just going to sit ahead and watch. Growth is you're looking for profits, but less profit. Income is you're going to rely on this. So I'm going to rely on this. Options trading level. So this is, again, if you are aware about this, then sure. But if you're not, then you should just go with one. Now it's going to ask you for your personal information. Country of citizenship. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose Pakistan. My date of birth. I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. Employment status, unemployed. Now it's going to ask you a few of these questions. If you're based in the United States, then you're going to probably answer these. If you're not, then you're just going to skip past these. Now it's going to ask you for your financials and trading experience. So you're just going to enter here what fits you the best. Now, for the extras, would you like us to provide us with the contact information for a trusted contact person, age 18 or older? Since we're above 21, so we would not need that. So we're just going to go ahead and click on next. Now it's going to ask you for your proof of identity. So it's going to ask you to either upload one of your passport or driver's license. So you can go ahead and click on any of these and it's going to work. Okay, and this is how you're just going to create your Tradestation account. I hope the tutorial was thorough enough and you've had a good experience watching the video. Please make sure to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below for any future videos. Thank you for watching.